Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be diving into the world of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on businesses and careers. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that's reshaping industries and the job market as we know it. Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing business processes and why having AI skills can fast-track your career. The paradigm shift in business. According to a recent report by Microsoft and LinkedIn, AI is causing a paradigm shift in business. Within the next 5 years, 41% of executives expect to completely overhaul their business processes, building them from the ground up with AI at the core. Businesses across sectors like healthcare, finance, marketing, e-commerce, and manufacturing are rapidly adopting AI technologies. They are using AI to drive innovation, increase productivity, automate tasks, and gain insights from big data. However, this rapid adoption comes with challenges. Over half of the business leaders surveyed, 55%, are concerned about finding enough talent to fill AI-related positions in the next year. This talent shortage has led to a 323% increase in hiring technical AI talent over the past 8 years. Companies are also looking for non-technical talent that possesses AI skills. AI skills, a career booster. An aptitude for AI is becoming crucial for workers to stay competitive in the job market. The high demand for AI professionals, coupled with a shortage of qualified talent, makes AI expertise a valuable asset. Anish Raman, the Chief Economic Opportunity Officer at LinkedIn, suggests that learning basic AI skills, like prompt engineering, machine learning, or data literacy, can boost your competitiveness, even against more experienced candidates. The 2024 Work Trend Index annual report by Microsoft and LinkedIn highlights that AI skills may soon become as important as job experience in hiring. A significant majority of business leaders, 66%, won't consider hiring candidates without AI skills. In fact, 71% of executives prefer candidates with AI skills, even if they have less experience, over more experienced candidates who lack AI knowledge. Conclusion. AI is not just transforming businesses, it's also redefining career paths. By equipping yourself with AI skills, you can stay ahead in this rapidly evolving job market. So, start learning and embrace the future with AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Web3, AI, robotics, and the future of work. See you in the next video. Adesmode signing out.